Nag-rule lang siya na wala namang conflict of interest. No. I just wanted, it wasn't a position on conflict of interest. I wanted to, well, say my piece on the context of that meeting. Para naman hindi na insinuate na may parang mali doon na ginawa ko or ng anyone or ng OVP in that aspect, no. And in fact, Senator Judge Joel Villanueva even already helped me with that, diba? Tinanong niya yung witness kung may illegal ba doon, and the witness said hindi po kasi kahit po ibang ahensya kinakausap din po kami. So, you know, there was no need to expound on that. I really felt the need to, because I was alluded to I think twice, plus yung mga nakikita ko sa SOCMED, alam nyo naman, diba? So I just wanted to clear the issue para naman wala tayo, hindi na mislead yung mga kababayan natin doon sa essence ng ganung meeting at para mabigyan natin ng konteksto. But, you know, nagsabi na naman ang presiding officer na hindi na kailangan na magsalita pa ako ukol doon, and of course, Senator Joel also already clarified that matter. So at least that matter has been put to rest.
Do you want us to talaga kayo ng audit query in the first place?
I don't want to discuss it now because yun nga yung magiging issue. Baka sabihin I'm already I'm already talking about things that are being discussed in court. But yun lang po talaga na wala namang masamang nangyari doon, and nabanggit ko na rin kahapon that it was actually COA ICFAO that asked for that meeting.
Importante ba yung audit query? In general sense,
Hindi naman, we were just basically it wasn't even me, it was really OVP, no, kasi hindi naman napag-usapan yung DepEd doon sa meeting na yon. So ang ano lang naman, ang essence lang naman doon is, 'di ba, pinag-usapan, nasabi naman ng testigo to, so I think I can say this at least. Nasabi naman ng testigo that we were just there to clarify guidelines. So syempre ang posisyon namin, kung ka-clarify lang naman yung guidelines, bakit hindi audit query, 'di ba? Ang gawin nila. And that's, you can actually download the audit query memorandum in the COA website. It's actually part of their, it's actually one of their, I mean, if you want to know what an audit query is, you can download it from the COA website para malaman nyo rin. But nagsabi rin naman na they eventually issued an AOM, so sinagot na lang yung AOM.
So is not one conflict of interest in illegal?
Hindi, yung conflict of interest sa akin, it's a different matter altogether. But hindi naman illegal yung meeting, nasabi na yan kanina. Like I said, sir, let's not tempt me to be subjected to the rule on sub judice, no? I hope the media can help me also not violate that rule. But I know you're after sound bites, but I hope you can also help me not violate that rule. So, ang sa akin lang is na-clarify na hindi illegal yung ganung meeting, hindi lang OVP or DepEd ang ahensyang nakikipag-meeting, at ang panghuli is that yung conflict of interest, it was already ruled upon by the presiding officer, so I don't want to have to argue for myself kasi unfair din naman kay Senator Judge Tulfo. Nagtanong lang naman siya, and I think it was a very innocent question. If I were in his shoes, I would have probably asked the same question kung may conflict of interest o wala. At nag-rule naman na ang presiding officer without even asking me to argue my side, so, or to comment on that question. So I think I should also be fair to Senator Judge Tulfo that I don't air out my arguments through the media.